think you have it in gear, bro.
Hey everyone, this is a 1968 tin top camper, and it will be a running project bus available, I'd say within a week or so. It will be running. It will not have the interior done. It will just be a project bus that runs. But as you can see, it's got the sink, the icebox, cabinets, the Z-bed, the jump seat right here. It even has a table right there. And like I mentioned in the last video, the headliner is beautiful. Really nice, clean tin top bus. Just needs a little love. It's not running at the moment. Has the Jalopy windows. It's an original tin top Westfalia. It will have some new tires most likely. These tires are kind of okay, but we'll put some nice white walls on there. Just make it look nice, make it look cute. Not going all out on it, so it's a project bus. And you definitely don't want to miss it. It will be, I'd say, fairly affordable project bus price. If you are interested in this one, please let me know ASAP. These usually sell very fast due to the price. It will be very clean. It won't be painted, but it'll be, you know, nice and clean, and running bus. So you don't want to miss it. And it is a tin top Westfalia, an original. You can see by the badge that's falling off a little bit, but we'll fix that, put that back together. We'll probably put some new tires, some nice white wall tires on it. These are a little old and beaten. But it is going to be a very cute bus for a really great price. You don't want to miss it. Driving project bus. This is a 1968 tin top Westfalia. What that means is that it's a camper. It has the sink, the little seat here. That back seat pulls out to a bed. You have cabinet space, closet space, new tires. Nice, clean, cute project running bus. Not painted, interior isn't done, but it's a nice bus. It runs, and if you're in the market for one, it's a very, very affordable price. Send me a message and we can work something out. Let's go. What's up, everybody? I'm in the 1968 Project Tin Top Westie. Beautiful, beautiful day in Southern California. A little hot. Yesterday it was a little cold. It's back and forth around here, man. In the morning it's freezing. About this time I'm burning up. So taking this thing around. I'm heading back to the warehouse right now. Phone's gonna fall. But there's nothing I can do about that. I'm trying to hold it up. Anyway, did a little cruising in it, test driving, it's running really well. Did a lot of stuff to it to get it to this point. But it's a runner again, and it's pretty clean if you can see the inside. It's a pretty clean project bus. And you know, I can't really drive and hold the phone. Do it like that. So I did a little driving in it, went to get some tires put on it, some nice white walls. It needed new tires anyway. And that's one of the last things we're going to do to it. We're done. I'll start sharing some photos of the inside and out, showing you the motor, what was done. Basically, the thing needed a new battery, clean the gas tank, new carburetor, new fuel pump, new fuel hoses, full tune-up, spark plugs, wires, new distributor. Coil was fine. New tires. The brakes needed all kinds of brake work. Basically, everything on the brakes were either replaced with a good used one or a brand new one. So it went through a lot of stuff to get it to the running condition it is now. But it sounds great.